I would like to talk about my own book. So this is a self-published book. I love writing, I love nature, I love photography. So it makes sense to put those three topics together and write about nature in photo essays that are complemented with photos. So since 2010, I've been writing monthly photo essays for the Red Deer Advocate. And from 2010 to 2015, I decided to put those columns together in a book called Beauty Everywhere, Nature Photo Essays by Myrna Pearman. We have much to celebrate in Central Alberta, so much wildlife. If we just take the time to observe, go out in nature, appreciate being out in nature. So we might not have grizzly bears right here in Central Alberta, but we have chickadees, and we have redpolls in the wintertime, and we have beavers, and we have beautiful little birds called redneck grebes, and ducks, and nuthatches, all kinds of feeder birds. So if you're interested in learning more about what we have here in Central Alberta, then I highly recommend getting a copy of this book, again, called Beauty Everywhere, Nature Photo Essays by Myrna Pearman. It really is a celebration of the wildlife in Central Alberta.